Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to connect the cubes each other. First, make sure you made 8 cubes exactly same color combination. Please put all cubes in the same direction. The 4 cubes on the left hand are at the top and the 4 cubes on the right hand are the bottom. And now leave right side 4 aside. We are going to make the top 4 to connect each other first. I think you will use different colors than me, so I will explain them with numbers. The top color is 1 and the left color is 2, the right color is 3, the front color is 4, and the opposite side is 5, and the bottom side is 6. And again, make sure that all colors are in the same orientation. If the color is not the same direction, you cannot make it. Now, color number 1 and these two connect each other. Lift all 4 together, turn them left, and number 2 is on top. And you connect number 2 color together. Like this. And now turn them to the other side, and now number 3 is on top, and connect each other here. And now the top part of the cube is done. We just saw 1, 2, 3 part only. 1, 2, and 3, and that's it. Now we are going to make a bottom side of the cube. Hold 4 together and turn upside down. Make sure number 6 is now top and left color is same 2 and right side is same and 3, and the front is number 5 now, and the other side is number 4. Now we are connect to these two together like this. And now left side number 2 color connect each other like this. And now right side number 3 here connect each other. Now the bottom side of the cube is done. Now you turn to the original side and every color direction is same. Hold top 4 together and put on the bottom 4 cubes like this. And now the color number 4 connect two together like this, and these two together connect. And that's it, we are finished. This is the infinity cube. I made it very small, but you can make it bigger and even smaller than this. Enjoy it. As you see, I'm not good at I'm not very good at amigurumi stuff, but I tried it anyways. I can do it means you can do it. Try it. Thank you very much for watching. Um, I'm going to make some other videos, so please subscribe my channel. I also have a Japanese channel too. Thank you. Bye.